I speak to people every single day and I hear what you're struggling with, and I hear the most common reasons most people fail in rent to rent. And in this video, I'm going to share with you the biggest and how you can overcome it. Simon here. I've done over 60 rent to rent deals. I do this day in, day out. I've got a team of 10 people. We generate over £1 million of rent to rent revenue every single year. And on this channel, I showcase the journey, I showcase what I've learned, and I try to help you as much as possible. And you know what my motto is? No sales, no pitching, just pure value. So if that sounds like the kind of thing that you're into, then you know what to do. Smash the subscribe button. The inspiration for this video actually came from somebody that I'm working sort of alongside. And they're doing amazingly at the early stages, but they're struggling to get the deal over the line. So some people just don't get started, so you're not going to be successful. Some people don't set up correctly. Because they're not set up correctly, they're not committed, people don't take themselves seriously, and often, most importantly, they don't take themselves seriously. Some people get set up correctly, often using my 12 steps checklist to setting up the perfect Rent to Rent 2.0 business. If you want a copy of that, DM me on Instagram, set up, and I will send it you. Now, they're set up, but they struggle to communicate the message to get the viewings. Some people, they get tons of viewings and they may even build rapport and make offers, but for some reason they don't convert. Some people make offers, get them accepted, and they fail on the legals. And some people succeed on the legals, but then they fail on the logistics. And this is why I work with people. I have the mastermind and the mentorship and stuff, because there are a lot of different facets to this process. It's taken me 4 years to begin to master it, okay? And if you don't want to be spending 4 years mastering it, then I can help you master it sooner, okay? No sales, just saying. But do you know what I mean? There's a lot of facets. Now, the most common one I'm seeing at the moment, or the example I want to give right now that I've seen this week, is that people are set up correctly, they're getting viewings, they're making offers, but for some reason, the offers aren't being accepted. So I want to give value on how I overcame that and how you can do that too. So first things first, the key thing is on the viewing, you need to become informed on the landlord or the agent's position so that when you put the offer in, you've got a good indication of what they're after and what's going to be acceptable. And one of the most common mistakes I see is people, yes, doing viewings, but then put in blind offers. And what I mean by blind offers is you're not well informed enough about the situation of the vendor and what's going to, get them over the line. So when you're on the viewing, you need to fact find like your life depends on it. I'm talking about finding how long it's been empty, how long they've owned it, how long it's been available, okay? Maybe what kind of tenants they had last time, what rent they had last time, what their long-term plans are for the property. All these questions formulate a picture so that when you offer, you lean in to the pain point or the requirements. So let's give an example. Let's say somebody has dealt with rent to rent before and they know the return's feasible. So they actually, in their head, have decided they want over the asking price, and you go 300 under it, you're not going to hear again. Let's say, for example, you've not communicated the caliber of your clients or your business to them, they're going to go for the family. So it's a case of fact finding, asking for clarity so that you understand what they really want, repeating it back to them, that's so important because you build rapport, and then and only then putting in your offer. Top tip, when you put your offer, it should literally be the rental amount and the term. That's it. And then we'll build through the terms as we go along. So if you are set up, if you are getting the viewings, but for some reason you're not getting the deal over the line, what you need to make sure you're doing is keeping it simple, building the rapport, doing the fact find, basing your offer on the fact find to make sure, and then you will start to see some results. And if all else fail, remember everything for a reason. So some landlords that choose to go with a family, maybe rent to rent isn't for them. It's like I always say, rent to rent isn't for everyone, but for who it is intended for, it is perfect. If you found this useful, hit the subscribe button. I'd love to hear from you on my Instagram. DM me at Simon Smith Online on whatever you do. Don't wait 25 years. Get creative.
Introducing Creative Cashflow Plus, the first rent-to-rent app and leading platform dedicated to supporting you on your property journey. Ask the experts anything. Be held accountable so that you can smash your goals. Mastermind with other rent-to-rent specialists. Access our deal clinic to get your deals analysed by a pro. And unlock hours of videos and podcasts guaranteed to help you take your rent-to-rent business to the next level. Get the ongoing support that you deserve. Join us, Creative Cashflow Plus.